Oh, there are a lot of houses for sale in this neighborhood. Hey man, what's up and what's glorious, guys? As y'all can see, man, this show's the most Paul Cantu. Got a truck riding my ass right now. I know you guys wish you were that truck, but guess what? You're not. Anyways, today we're hitting up some estate sales to start the day with. There's nothing I love more in this world than hopping up in a random person's crib and attempting to make a video without looking like a weirdo. So that is the mission today. So let's go ahead and hop in to the first estate sale. All right, guys, so we're in the neighborhood right now. This is a neighborhood that looks like it is not a place where your house will get home invaded, if that actually is a way to put a sentence together. Basically, man, we're about to go up in here and see what's good. Estate sales, sometimes they're ran by certain people where they just charge a ton of money for everything, which is the downside. And also, I look for clothes and sometimes they do not have them, but you know, here's a little house. So let's dive in. Ooh. Good morning.
Good morning. There's stuff throughout the house and on the back patio.
Okay. Oh, bruh. We in here. Look at this corkscrew lamp. Texture crazy. Hey, they also got these like wicker basket looking suitcases. No price. Hey, I'm gonna cop though. Just know. Oh, that denim dynamite. Let's go. I love the clothes section. Oh my God, it looks like some mac and cheese. Is that Coochie? Oh man, this is a God-fearing woman's house right here, boys. Look at that little chair. Nicely embroidered. Yo guys, we're in this random little bedroom, I guess. You guys know I love me some cameras. Got the Canon AE1 program. Dude, this thing is a banger. They got a 35 on it. Trippy. Bro, this joint is like $200. All right, we've entered the bedroom. Hey, holla at me. Look at the full fit. They have this cool little wicker basket hat. All blue. Might have to try it on. Yeah, look at that hat, boy. Random clothes, accessories. That's a cool chair. Looks like a ghost might be in it though. All right, guys, man, so we jumped out of the estate sale, man. I look like a young art whore with my hat on. I'm excited about it. I grabbed the 2 wicker basket suitcases and I grabbed the camera. Those things go for bread, bro, so I was really happy. I've never seen that type of lens on a camera. But also, I was greeted by a pleasant, familiar face. The homie Pack Rats pulled up to the estate sale as well. And he got a car just full of goodies. So what you got up in here, bruh?
Saying we got your little 70s joints, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, that unicorn porn right there, baby.
Yeah, just tons of shit, bro. We got your Barbie, you know.
Whoa, wait, hold on. Let me get that. That shit is crazy, bro.
Crazy.
So where'd you get all this stuff at?
Man, I was just driving around. I saw this trash outside and I was like, look, man, I gotta take a peek. So here it is, man. And yeah, tons of shit, man. I got some Atari games, Nintendo games. I mean, Garfield up in there. Yeah, it was a good day.
He has some amazing pieces in here. Also, go follow the homie on IG, man. It's right here at Pack Rats, you dig? But oh my gosh, dude, there's just so much fire up in here. Like, I definitely gonna have to pick up some hats from him. So low-key, high-key is a blessing that homie rolled up on me because sheesh, we about to get them tings, boys. All right, guys, so I went through Pack Rat's whip. And I got a whole bunch of things to add on to, I guess, the estate sale finds. So this one is definitely relevant as fuck. It says I buy old cameras, which I just copped. Shout out this little ant too, just exploring the textures of the garment. You also got the LA Lakers. It looks like it's like shit, what is that called, airbrushed on there. And you got the multicolored vintage truckers. You got the Pepsi hats, Coors Light, the Scorpions, just a dope logo. This really sick Florida truckers. You got the Goya frozen foods, the little penguin. Someone said I say penguins. Is it penguin? I don't give a fuck, it's penguins. You also got the USA multicolored snapback, Budweiser with the chameleon, South Padre Island, the green is clean, Key West, Hawaii. And then I got that little Caddyshack swag for my Scout, man. So shout out the homie once again. You guys go follow this man. He definitely hooked it up for the low, and I appreciate that. I'm sweating my balls off. So let's get back in the whip, in the AC, and hit up another. Let's do it. All right, my children. So we're at the next sale right now. It's on this beautiful little street right here. There are cars just absolutely everywhere. Oh wow, look at that mature tree. Dang, they really got this thing decorated up. All right, let's hop in. Okay guys, someone tell me, am I in the freaking Titanic or not? Whoa, oh. All gold everything, baby. I love gold. It's that time. Okay, so this house is actually crazy. It's so big. There's so much in here. Ooh, little flowers. Okay, I see you. I see you. Guys, I do not know what the heck to even look at. Oh, y'all see that? That little pin? Earth Day? Okay, I might get this. It's kind of rusty, a little gross. I don't know. I'll put it in my little pocket. Dude, this John is just nuts. There's too much in here to even look at. Oh my God. Dude, this guy is so creepy. It's unbelievable. But like creepy in the perfect kind of way. Oh, vintage Cadillac rims? Just bought a Cadillac. Oh, they got the old school Ford rims up there too. Dang, man. Wow, this is like a tiny kitchen. It has no windows. Perfect. Makes an escape even harder. All right, guys, I found the guy section. Liddy, bro. They got 3 Carhartt overalls. These are so sick. Dude, I wish I was a little bit thicker. But, dang, they got a pimp coat for 20 bucks. That's awesome. And they got a bunch of hats. You guys know what time it is, man. Let's see what they got. Longhorns vintage trucker. Yup. Let's see. Don't know what that is. Don't know what that is. Don't know what that is. Oh my God, they got some cool plushies, but they're charging 40 for vintage Mickey. Tripping. Like, I know he's super old, but 40 bucks? Come on, man. What else we got? We got baby Kermit for 12. Dang, and he got a bite out of his lower lip. They have so much cool stuff. It's just taxed, like extremely taxed. Like, I would get all these, but 30 each? Come on, man, chill. Guys, this house is just so crazy looking. Like, what is that? I'll put a stripper pole there instead. But like, everything is just super old in here. It is nuts. Look at that mirror. Little suitcases. Bro, this is wild. Like, sunflower themed, cool old hats. Oh my gosh, this is like a blast from the past for real. Man, this is absolutely crazy. I love being in old places like this. Jeez. All right, okay, we're in this sliver of a room, right? Shout out this whole guy. Anyways, look at these little micro machines. Dude, they're Yaxing 20. I used to play with these as a kid. All the collectibles on the back. And then look, we got another one. 20 bucks on this too. Bro, I would get these, but they're just too much. Dude, I got the heaters. Full track suits. Shout out this old lady, bro. She had that swag like a motherfucker. But yeah, I'm gonna put that on the wall. Okay, we got another little tracksuit as well. Look at this, oh, multicolored. Thing is crazy, bro. And then you also have this like more plain one. Sorry about the lighting too, guys. I had to use like my flashlight to try and record up in this closet. And then, fuck me. Okay, for sure, you wanna do that? Okay, for sure. Look at this hoe though. Multicolored cut and sew sweater, dead stock. You joking me? Oh, then you got the Witherspoon? Button up, I'm getting this for sure. Look at that, man. The fishes get you hella bitches exclusive. And they got more rims. Dude, this is wild out here. All right, my beautiful souls and children, man. We are leaving. As y'all can see, I got an armful of stuff. Yeah. Hey, man, shout out that estate sale. Dude, they had so much stuff I wanted. It's just they were kind of taxing. I managed to finagle down the overalls. So that's pretty good. Got them each for like 15 bucks a pair. Now they're not my size, so if you guys want some crazy Carhartt overalls, they're gonna be up on my vintage website, which is thriftheavenvintage.com, as are a lot of these other pieces. Dude, that store was just, wow, that house was just crazy, bro. Like the layout was nuts. Everything was super old. It's like a blast from the past. Like I'm saying, dude, it's just crazy. Anyways, let's see where we proceed next on this adventure, but handfuls of heat once again in these streets, baby. Yes, sir. Locked. All right, guys, so y'all know what time it is, man. Every twice in a while in these videos, I gotta take my talents to Goodwill regardless. So yeah, I'm about to hop in here, man. Looking like 100% hipster. And that is the percentage I love and know to be the best. Let's get in there. Dude, are you guys joking me? Look how classy this Mickey is walking in. That boy got on a little hoodie. Holy hell, his wig got split though, man. Boy been in that street life too long. $2. Man, I really want this, but there's nothing I can do about that. That is just a tragedy, dude. He got straight Mike Tyson. All right, guys, we got a couple tees. Dude, they're banging music out of that speaker. It is high-key annoying. You got the Manchester United t-shirt right there, and then you got the Dare All-Stars La Resistance. Don't do drugs, kids. Don't do them drugs. Oh, hello. Dude, we got a couple more bangers. This one took me a minute to decipher. I don't know why. I guess because I'm not used to LSU being referred to as Louisiana State University, all types of written out like this, but it is a jerseys made in USA, single stitch in this bitch, super soft, almost like a grape smashed by the feet of a child. What? Tripping. Oh my God, children. Hey, hook 'em horns, daddy. Check out this gym. Lee Sport University of Texas Longhorns. That is my alma mater, baby. You dig? I actually got this same crew neck and gave it to my mama. So now we can twin it up a little bit, Cantu style. There also is the Chaps Ralph Lauren Cozy Essential Fleece. I just love the two tones on the ribs. And look at that little pull tab. Oh my gosh, detailed to perfection. Cozy things, man, in the thrift. Wow, guys, we got all three of y'all, man.
All three of y'all.
The trifecta is complete. You got the Guinness Genuine Quality little beer long sleeve rugby. You got the hard cock Rafe. Oh my God, my dyslexia. And then you also got the Chaps Ralph Lauren. I love the collar on this dude, and the American flag, the pocket, and the ventilation for your bodily sweat fluids. Nice. Bro, that is so tough. I got that boy Dopey, huh? Man, they're charging $4 for this guy. Tripping. Man, I don't know if I should get him, dude. He's so high quality. I think I got to. Dang, bro, these are so awesome. They got these like Mickey Mouse glasses. They're $2 each, which kind of high-key sucks. But my girl has a Mickey Mouse themed classroom, so I think she can put markers and crayons in these, as long as the children don't break them. Oh man, class, how amazing, baby. Yeah, this bag is about to rip. It is overloaded. But guys, man, leaving Goodwill got so much stuff. It's just incredible, incredulous. It's an amazing thing. Today has gone absolutely my way. I'm balling. I love it, dude. I absolutely love it. Yeah. And we are back, my children. All right, guys. So we're back from today's estate sale adventure. I got a few more things. I stopped by some antique stores, but I'll show you those finds in a second. Probably my top find of the day is this Canon AE1 autofocus camera. Now I do have to get it tested. I've never seen such a huge autofocus rig on something, which is pretty cool. But yeah, this camera is valuable. I could probably get about $100 easily off this dude. It is super, super dope. So first find was that camera, or at least in the first estate sale was that camera. I also did grab the really cool wicker basket suitcases. Now I just use these to decorate my crib. They're really cool to like stack up and make end tables, and they look great at my pop-ups, which my next one and a huge vintage extravaganza is going down in Houston, September 15th. All the info is down below. We do have about 10 to 15 more vendor spots. So if you guys would like to vend and are from Texas, then definitely check out the info in the description. Oh, and this huge green suitcase. Oh man, I have a few more finds. I'm gonna try and open this guy no look. Pulling a Patrick Mahomes in this thing. Oh my gosh, guys. I grabbed this Smoking Joe's Camel cigarettes case at an antique store. It actually is full of like matches. It's like a matchbox case. And then inside this we have all the tracksuits and the Carhartt overalls, which I'm gonna get out to show you guys because I cannot handle this. All right, so here are the Carhartt overalls in nice detail. These are all size 36 by 32. They're gonna be available on thrifttypeandvintage.com. These are super high quality, very, very dope. And yeah, time tested and true workwear solutions. So if you guys would like these, check out Thrift Type and my vintage website. It's in the description. Now, I did stop by an antique store and I came up on a ton of Eminem collectibles. Like I walked in this store, they had Eminem baseball players, Eminem basketball players, the Taco Bell dog, Eminems on motorcycles playing golf. Every type of Eminem you can imagine was in there. So I bundled a bunch of them together and got them all for like 45 bucks. The old lady running the antique store was really pissed and I don't know why, but I told her, I was like, you don't gotta sell it to me, but she still was mad and wanted to go through with the deal, so I'm not exactly sure what was up with her, but hey, I'll know when I'm old. I got this Polo Ralph Lauren like sport windbreaker as well in there for a couple bucks, but guys, these things smack, dude. Oh, these go so hard. So I got the Golfer Eminem dispenser. This thing is so freaking sick. I had to grab this. I grabbed the Eminem baseball player right here. Very dope, extremely collectible. I got the Peanut Eminem hooping, playing basketball. This guy is amazing. He got the little elbow pad as well. Now I have this in my personal collection. It is the Eminem in the recliner. Eminem dispenser. So some of these will be on the home section of thrifttypeandvintage.com if you guys would like them. Some of them I'm going to save and take to my pop-up shops. And the motorcycle one is absolutely gangster, bro. Like these are so nice to decorate your crib with. I have like a lamp with all of them set up. It looks amazing. I got the little basketball player one just because he looks so mischievous about to dunk the ball. And then last and not least, I got them dancing in front of the jukebox. Now, at another antique store, I saw this fire jacket, Michael Hoban jacket. I copped it. These are valued at like $150. I got it for a low-key steal. But look at that, Ace of Spades, carrot color scheme with the Ace card on both sleeves. Good Lord. Oh man, I didn't really record in the antique stores because it's kind of boring up in that bitch. But I just had to show you guys the fire. Like look at the interior, man. It says Hobo right there, short for Michael Hoban. This is fire. It's all 100% genuine leather. Not very vegan of me, but if you guys enjoyed this episode, please like, comment, and subscribe. Like seriously, like the video. That's the only way these videos get seen. And yeah, it's the best way you guys can truly help your boy out with just a simple click of a button. Anyways, live the dream, eat that vegan ice cream, despite this being leather. I'll catch you guys next time. I'm locked and loaded, and I'm out.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life by rooster. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.